Hey, Tech, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 9 coolest gadgets that are incredibly worth seeing. From futuristic tech to life-changing innovations, these gadgets are changing the game in 2024. So, stick around because you won't believe what's coming next. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's jump right in. 9. General Magnetic Wristband. A General Magnetic Wristband is a versatile accessory designed to offer both practical and therapeutic benefits. Made from durable materials like fabric or silicone, these wristbands incorporate strategically placed magnets that are believed to promote healing and relieve pain. Magnetic wristbands are often worn by individuals suffering from wrist pain, arthritis, or muscle fatigue, as the magnets are thought to improve circulation and reduce inflammation. In addition to their potential health benefits, magnetic wristbands are also popular in tool use, providing a convenient way to hold small metal objects like screws, nails, or tools while working on DIY projects or repairs. These wristbands feature strong magnets that securely hold the items in place. 8. Yubico YubiKey 5 NFC. The Yubico YubiKey 5 NFC is a high-security hardware authentication device that provides strong protection for online accounts and services. It uses Universal Second Factor (U2F) and FIDO2 standards, making it compatible with a wide range of platforms, including Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Dropbox, and many others. This compact device features near-field communication (NFC) capabilities, allowing users to authenticate logins on smartphones or tablets by simply tapping the key against the device. The YubiKey 5 NFC supports multiple protocols such as Smart Card, PID, OpenTGP, and OTP, one-time password, enhancing its versatility for various use cases. Its durability and water-resistant design make it reliable for everyday use, and it doesn't require a battery or charging, offering a hassle-free experience. 7. Jungo O1 Pro. The Jungo O1 Pro is a compact, high-performance smart projector designed to deliver an immersive viewing experience in both home and professional settings. Featuring a sleek, modern design, the O1 Pro offers 1080p Full HD resolution, ensuring crisp and clear visuals for movies, presentations, or gaming. One of its standout features is its built-in Android operating system, which allows users to stream content directly from popular platforms like YouTube, Netflix, and others without needing an external device. The projector supports both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, enabling easy pairing with other devices such as smartphones, tablets, or wireless speakers. With its 360-degree omnidirectional sound system, the Jungo O1 Pro delivers rich, immersive audio without the need for external speakers. It also has a smart keystone correction feature, making setup effortless by automatically adjusting the image to ensure a perfect projection. Ideal for both casual and professional use, the Jungo O1 Pro provides excellent value for those seeking a portable, feature-packed projector with powerful performance. 6. Dual-Screen Rugged Smartphone. A dual-screen rugged smartphone is a highly durable device designed for individuals who need both tough, reliable performance and multitasking capabilities. Built to withstand harsh environments, these smartphones are typically waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof, meeting high standards of military-grade protection, often rated with IP68 or MILSTD 810G certifications. The dual-screen feature allows users to work efficiently with multiple apps at once, such as viewing maps while chatting on a messaging app or playing a game while checking notifications. This makes them ideal for field workers, outdoor adventurers, or anyone requiring increased productivity and convenience on the go. These smartphones often feature larger batteries for extended use in remote areas, as well as high-performance processors and camera systems for both work and leisure. With rugged features, powerful multitasking capabilities, and long-lasting battery life, a dual-screen rugged smartphone is a perfect tool for those who need a reliable and versatile device in demanding conditions. 5. Hodo 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit. The Hodo 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit is a versatile and comprehensive set designed for various DIY projects, repairs, and crafts. This kit features a powerful rotary tool with multiple speed settings, allowing users to tackle tasks ranging from sanding and polishing to engraving and cutting with ease. The 35 attachments included in the kit ensure that you have the right tool for every job. These attachments consist of a range of drill bits, sanding discs, cutting wheels. 4. USB-C microphone. A USB-C microphone is a modern audio recording device that connects to computers, smartphones, or other devices through a USB-C port, offering superior sound quality and ease of use. Unlike traditional microphones that may require additional adapters or sound cards, USB-C microphones provide a direct digital connection, ensuring high-quality, low-latency audio without the need for extra equipment. These microphones are popular among content creators, podcasters, streamers, and musicians due to their plug-and-play functionality, allowing users to start recording or streaming quickly with minimal setup. USB-C microphones often feature built-in noise-canceling technology, adjustable gain controls, and high-fidelity sound capture, making them suitable for professional-level recordings in a variety of environments. 3. Modular Work-from-Home Kit. A modular work-from-home kit is a customizable set of tools and furniture designed to enhance productivity and comfort while working remotely. These kits typically include modular furniture pieces such as adjustable desks, ergonomic chairs, and storage units that can be rearranged or expanded based on the user's needs and space constraints. Some kits may also feature specialized accessories like laptop stands, monitor arms, cable management solutions, and task lighting to create an efficient and organized workspace. The modular nature of the kit allows users to personalize their home office setup, ensuring it fits their workflow and available space. These kits prioritize ergonomic design, offering adjustable height and support features to reduce strain during long work hours. In addition, many work-from-home kits are designed with aesthetics in mind. 2. TileMate Bluetooth Tracker. The TileMate Bluetooth Tracker is a small, compact device designed to help you keep track of your belongings using Bluetooth technology. This tracker attaches easily to items such as keys, bags, wallets, or even pets, and syncs with the Tile app on your smartphone. Once paired, the TileMate allows you to locate your lost items by simply pressing a button in the app, which makes the tracker emit a loud sound to help you find it. If your item is out of range, the Tile app shows the last known location on a map. 1. Okupa Union 5S Hand Warmer. The Okupa Union 5S Hand Warmer is a portable, rechargeable device designed to provide instant warmth in cold weather. Featuring a sleek, compact design, it fits easily into pockets or bags, making it convenient for outdoor activities such as hiking, skiing, or commuting in winter. And there you have it, the top 9 coolest gadgets that are worth seeing. Which one blew your mind? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the coolest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay techy, my friends.